Welcome to Descript. In this channel, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about this software. It's an AI audio and video editing software. And in my opinion, it's the easiest way to make a professional sounding podcast. So I'm just going to teach you different quick tips. And then I also offer some coaching calls and a course. So that goes along with this, but I'm going to offer a lot of stuff for free, and you're going to be able to get 80 to 90% of what you need out of these free videos, these free tutorials. So Descript, as I said, it uses a lot of AI. This intro video that they have here, it shows that you have your transcription, which I'll show you in the software itself. I'm recording this on Descript, so it's kind of like a Loom functionality where you can see my face in this bubble, and then I'm also recording my screen, obviously. And it's transcribing my words in real time. And it's also picking out words. So you notice this is in blue. And look at this, I'm editing it while it's transcribing. So you can do some remove filler words. It's found the ums that I put in there before. I can review each one of them individually and remove it one at a time, or I can hit apply to all and they're gone. And so the unique thing about Descript is that you edit it from this transcript. So you can change the punctuation, and there's hotkeys to do that. So if I just press the X button, I can add a period, I can add a comma, I can get rid of it. I can change the capitalization, because sometimes in that case, it said, am recording this on the transcript. So if I want to I can double click the word and I can hit the C button and I enter the correct feature. And then I can just add I am to the transcript. And I can also train it my voice. So it can use AI. If I missed a word altogether, if I missed recording, I just said, I am this on the script, I can add in the word recording using the AI version of my voice. And it does a pretty good job of that. I can also do shorten word gaps. So if there's a long pause where I'm thinking about something, I can set a time, like I'm looking for 1.5 seconds or more, 3 seconds or more, whatever it is. I can search through the whole timeline, find a gap, and shorten it automatically. So this just makes things super easy. And you can also drag, using the timeline, you can drag things around. So I can shorten the word gap manually. I can cover up a word. So I could just say, if I want to get rid of the I am, I can just do that, get rid of it. And again, this is my live transcript that you're going to see as you're watching this. And there it is, coming on the screen. The other cool thing is it's got built-in stock videos. So you don't have to go to a third party to get stock videos. This stuff is in here. It's got a pretty robust library, so you can type in anything you want. You can do backgrounds, video backgrounds. It's got GIFs, like little memes and things that you can add. Stock images. It's got Unsplash, and it's got a text to image like Midjourney or DALL-E. So you can just type in a prompt and it'll create an image on the fly to use in your video. And it's got audio. So you got music and sound effects that you can add to your video. And it's got the just normal stuff. You can add captions. Oh, actually, that's not normal. Captions, it does automatically. So it takes your timeline, automatically adds it to your video. Oh, look at that. Just like that. So it makes it super easy, automated. And then you can add shapes. You can make templates so that you can easily do, if you have a certain client that has a certain font, a certain color, things that they use for their caption, you can make a template out of that and just reuse it automatically. So I talked about how it's sort of like Loom. You can just hit this publish button and you can publish it to the internet, and it'll generate a link where that video is streaming on the internet along with the transcript. And you can invite your team to collaborate on it. They can leave comments at timestamps on the video. So it's kind of like Frame, if you're familiar with frame.io. So it's got a functionality of a ton of different tools all in one. So that's web publishing. And then you can also do export, which is where it just saves it to your hard drive. And you got a bunch of different options here. You can save it in MP4, normal video files, or you can save it in Premiere files so that you can use it in other software, Premiere or DaVinci Resolve, things like that. You can save it as a GIF. You can save it as just audio if you're doing podcast. Oh, and back to the publishing thing. You can publish directly to YouTube. You can publish to Buzzsprout, any of these sites. You just integrate your account and then you can publish straight to your RSS feed. To add a team member to collaborate, you would just click that button and then it would add them to your project. So that's a high level, quick overview of some of the key functionalities and really cool AI features of this software. It's really easy to use once you know how to do it, but there is a bit of a learning curve to it, just like with anything. That's my purpose with this channel, is to show you how to use these tools. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and you'll see a lot more in the future.